Is your washer or dryer failing to connect to the Maytag app or displaying an FCE0 error code? This is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Wi-Fi control board on either your washer or dryer. If you need to purchase a new Wi-Fi control board for your appliance, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The Wi-Fi control board connects your washer to any smart device with the Maytag app. It can be used for many different reasons, from starting the appliance to getting notifications for the end of the cycle. If the control board goes bad, the appliance may not connect to the Wi-Fi, or the appliance may display an error related to the control board. This Wi-Fi control board is designed to work with both Maytag washers and dryers. So, in this video, we'll show you how to replace it on both. First, we'll show you how to access the Wi-Fi control board on your washer. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power to the washer. Start by removing these 3 screws on the back of the washer using a 1/4-inch driver. Grab the top panel and pull it back as far as it will go. Then, lift it up and set it aside for later. Fully extend the detergent drawer on the front of the washer and depress the retainer to remove it from the washer. Remove these 2 screws using a T20 Torx bit. On the top of the washer, use a T20 Torx or a 1/4-inch driver to remove these 2 screws. Carefully lift on these retainers on the top of the control panel while rotating it forward to remove it, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Depress the retainer and disconnect the control panel. Here's a shot of the retainer with the control panel removed. The Wi-Fi control board is located here. Then, depress the retainer on the electrical connector and pull to remove it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these 2 screws and remove the board. Now, we'll show you how to access the Wi-Fi control board on your dryer. For this repair, we'll need access to the back of the dryer, so you may need to disconnect the vent hose. For this repair, we'll need to disconnect power to the dryer. To access the control panel, first we'll need to remove the top panel. Using a 5/16 driver, remove these 2 screws. Then slide the top panel back, lift it up, and set it aside for reinstallation later. Locate and trace this wire from the control panel to the main control board. Gently pull on the electrical connector to disconnect it from the main control board. Then, locate this retainer. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, gently depress and push the retainer through the frame of the dryer. Using a 1/4-inch driver, remove these 2 screws holding the touchpad in place. Gently lift up on the touchpad and control panel as you rotate the top away from the front of the dryer. Make sure to guide the wire through the front of the dryer when removing the control panel. The Wi-Fi control board is located here. Then, depress the retainer on the electrical connector and pull to remove it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these 2 screws and remove the board. If you need to purchase a new Wi-Fi control board for your appliance, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. Please note that this Wi-Fi control board is designed to work with both Maytag washers and dryers. To install, connect the board to the electrical connector on the touchpad. Align the control board to the touchpad and secure it in place using the Phillips head screws. With the Wi-Fi control board installed, first we'll show you how to install the control panel back onto the washer. Align the control panel to the washer, then connect the electrical connector to the control panel. Then align this tab on the center of the control panel to this slot on the washer. Then carefully work the control panel back and forth till the retainer is set in place. Next, on the front of the washer, reinstall the 2 screws in the detergent drawer. Then reinstall the detergent drawer. Then, on the top of the panel, reinstall the 2 screws. On the top of the washer, locate these black retainers. Then, align them to these slots on the bottom of the top panel and set them into place. Next, slide the top panel forward and reinstall the screws. Now, we'll show you how to reinstall the Wi-Fi control board on your dryer. To install, guide the electrical connector through the front slot of the dryer. Then, align this tab on the bottom of the control panel to this slot on the dryer. Then reinstall the 2 1/4-inch screws. Find the retainer on the wire and push it into this slot on the frame of the washer to secure it in place. Connect the control panel to the main control board. Align these slots on the bottom of the top panel to this bracket on the top of the dryer. Then slide it forward and reinstall the 2 screws to hold it in place. Make sure to attach the new sticker that comes with the control board to the front panel inside the door. This contains the new SAID and the new MAC ID of the appliance and is used to connect it to the Maytag app. Then, make sure to follow the instructions in the Maytag app to reconnect the appliance to your smart device. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.